What's up, guys? At the river. Fire, 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 fire. Pharaoh behind me in the water. Pretty cool. It's a little terror dog. Got my friend Pruitt.
What's up, dog?
About to go get in that shit too, I guess. Filmer shall fall. That's about it though, guys. At the river. I'll have a little fun and get in the water, I guess. Can't film that. Gotta get some waterproof stuff. This is one of the good things about living where we currently are, is this river is like 5 minutes away from the house. But anyway, guys, we'll have some fun. I'll holler at y'all later. Be safe out there. Keep your eyes, your ears open, and always keep it real. Love you guys. See y'all later.